If you're allergic to nuts, you can still enjoy crunchy granola. Let's whip up a crispy, toasty version that is easy to make and everyone can enjoy. To a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of rolled oats, 3/4 cups of sunflower seeds, half a cup of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. You can use any seeds that you have on hand. Just be sure to use rolled oats, not instant or porridge oats. This way they'll hold their shape and bake up perfectly crisp. Once everything is mixed well, set the bowl aside. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of a neutral oil, 1 tablespoon of raw honey to sweeten, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. If the honey feels too thick, warm it up gently so it blends in smoothly. Pour the wet mixture into the oats and seeds. Stir until everything is fully coated. Spread the mixture evenly on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Roast at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes in a preheated oven. Take it out and flip the granola around to ensure it's toasting evenly. Return it in the oven for another 10 minutes or until it's golden and perfectly roasted. For extra flavor, stir in a handful of dried fruits once the granola is cooled slightly. Raisins, cranberries, or chopped dates work perfectly. Let it cool down completely to lock in the crunch. And there you have it. Crunchy, healthy, and delicious nut-free granola. Store it in an airtight container and enjoy over yogurt or smoothie bowls as a healthy breakfast or as a snack straight from the jar. And if you're a fan of warm spices, you will love my apple cinnamon granola. See you there.